Hey, it's Adam and Matt coming to you here. We are on our way down to the National Strip Till Conference in Omaha, Nebraska. And in true Ready fashion, we try to loop in as many possible things as we can on our way down. Right now, we are headed into Beardsley, Minnesota. We're going to check out a CCS drill, and we're going to be coming out with something special for that.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Hopefully you have fun on our adventure here.
Oh yeah, we were supposed to check out some corn heads.
Oh yeah, right over there.
So Tom had a great idea of rebuilding corn heads. Who knows? That might be in the future if we're ready. Comment below. Let us know if you think we should do some corn head rebuilding. Let us know if you'd like it done. Well, I'm not a corn head mechanic, but how hard can it be? Do we work on red?
Well, we work on everything.
Right. That was a rhetorical question. So, I'm noticing this is a little sloppy, but maybe that's normal. Supposedly these knives get worn. The bearings or gearboxes get sloppy, so then they don't line up and they plug when it's wet, Tom was saying. Well, just like a drill. Crawl down. Oh yeah, this is nice. Supposedly these knives need to be replaced. Oh, those knives are stuck together. I would say this isn't working. Well, supposedly Tom's trading this one for a new one, or maybe he's already got the new one on the combine over there. Just said they're kind of a pain to work on, and for him, it was easier just to trade. Made sense. Let's go see the new one. Wow, new paint. Got some shafts and gearboxes up here that probably need to be gone through. Man, I already know that there's tons of great aftermarket solutions for these that we could tap into and make these headers way better than from factory. Oh no, I'm dirty. Don't step in that thing. Oh. These beans are like ice skates, or ice. Wow. Were you in there? I didn't even see ya.
What the hell?
Yeah, Tom said we could find you and probably coax you out of the bin.
You could finish.
Yeah.
Yeah?
So you heard we're coming, right?
Yeah, he said something this morning.
Okay. Yeah, we'd like to just see the drill and see how you guys are doing and what you thought of the performance and everything.
Yeah, we can go check it out.
Okay. Well, how'd the drill do this year?
Good.
All right, so you've got a red one and a green one. Which one do you like more? Yeah, well, here she is. Just as jammed in here as last time when I inspected it. Yeah. So here's our notch discs. And what'd you think of the notch discs this spring?
They were good.
What kind of residue were you cutting through? Corn? Oh, water hemp? Coming out. Did you notice disturbance with the sidewall? Like, was the sidewall trying to blow out, or a lot of soil movement from the rows? How fast were you going?
6,
Yeah?
yeah, where it was adequate moisture, it was just perfect.
Mm-hmm. This one's just touching the ground. Still tight. How'd you like the heavy-duty closing wheel springs? No bounce? Not as much bounce? Good. We'll take a look at these. They're in really good shape. No reason to replace the boot. And when we installed the stabilizer, it proved that there was some more slop to take up, so we tried the metric, and boy, they were good, and they didn't have a gap at the disc. So, well, good. You got a lot of years left on this thing that of good performance. Should be. All right, guys. Take care. Well, we had a good visit with those guys. Had a little fun checking out what they're doing today, and we did some measurements on their CCS drill to see if hydraulic drive for that is in our future. Looks like it's a pretty easy thing to do.
Looks like it's going to be a pretty nice little kit to put together. Right up our alley. Some of the things are pretty much already done, so hopefully you're excited about that.
And the drill was in really good shape. We rebuilt that thing. Man, looks like the notch discs did great. The stabilizers, the seed tabs, they tried one notch closing wheel plate, and they're gonna put them all on this next spring, and really happy with it. The V8 wheels from Needham Ag, everything did really good. So we're happy to see that. It's always good to check up on guys and verify. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. God bless. Take care. And another thing, guys, is we've got something that's a little new. It's called some additional ready swag that's available at Farm Focus. They've been gracious to put our swag on there, so you can get it from there as well. Things like these hats. Here's a black with a gray mesh. There's a gray front with a red mesh. And we've got this cool sweatshirt that you can get. I'd say that's pretty cool. And yeah, so check it out.
Hey, if you're interested in the swag and you're like, hey, it'd be nice if you guys did something, let us know. Who knows, we're always thinking about other things to add to it.